day here for me. Hi everybody, it's Carol. I'm ready to take off all my makeup, and then I'm going to put on this jojoba oil on my face because my face was peeling so bad the other day, and I tried a few different things, and when I put this on, the next morning I woke up and it wasn't peeling anymore. I mean, it was peeling so bad that my daughter was peeling it off me when she was with me. That's how noticeable it was. So anyway, I just wanted to show you some things I bought at Ulta. I'm going to give you some swatches because you can't get them in the store. So maybe, let's see, that's better. At least I can show you some swatches. First is L'Oreal's lipstick. I didn't think it was going to be this gold, but look, it's too gold. Too gold for me. But if you want gold, it's good gold. The only thing about L'Oreal I don't like is the way you have to close it on this. This is so ridiculous. So, you hear that, L'Oreal? This is Shy by NYX. It's such a beautiful color. Look at that. But it's too pale for me. I'll show you. It is beautiful, right? I would say in the center to pop your lips. And I'll show you what I'm wearing in case you're wondering what this is. This is a holder for my phone. And what you do is, it comes with this flap here. And you're supposed to peel that off, stick it on the back of your phone, and then you put it in your case. This is how I got it to fit nicely in my case. But it fits in any case. And you could just run out the door with it, and you don't have to hold it, and you don't have to put it in your purse, and it's a good idea. I'll put a link down below. Okay, next we got NYX Liquid Suede in 07. Very long lasting and drying. Okay, next is Maybelline. Is this Maybelline? Maybelline number 657 Nude Radiance. That's a good color, right? That's a good color. I think this is the color that a lot of my ladies wear. This is more of a mauve burgundy. This was more of a brown. That is pretty good. So that is Nude Radiance. Now we have Morphe. We have the liquid lipsticks, and they are long-lasting. They stay all day. And this is called TAUNT, T-A-U-N-T. This is the packaging. And this is the product. Comes with a slant. Kind of sharp. Well, you could stab somebody with that. There's the doe foot. And we'll go up here. There you go. Wow, it's very opaque. It's a pretty color. Now another one to go with that is called True Story. It looks like this, the packaging. Kind of like pudding. So put that up here. Alright, so this would be like, what I tried was use this as a liner and then use that as in the inside of the lips, but this is a good dark one and it doesn't transfer. So these are the two liquid lips. See the color difference? Now, we have two more things. We have a Ulta Beauty Cream Eyeshadow and Liner in Cup of Joe. I couldn't see it. All right. It goes up and down. And that's a lot of product in there. and let's see what it looks like. I'll tell you right now, this is long lasting too. I already tested this out. And there it is. Pretty nice. I'm just going to put this on top of what I have. The more the merrier. See, now I'm a mess now because it's the end of the day and I'm done for the day. I'm ready to put my DHC cleanser on, massage my face, take off my makeup, shower, baby powder myself, and get into my cozy bed and then try to find something to watch. If you have any ideas of what to watch, please let me know. I'm running out of shows. I don't know what to watch. I just finished so many good shows. Togetherness, Better Things, Broadchurch. Anyway, I'm at the bottom of my list. This is a bullet lipstick by Morphe. It's very cute. Wait till you see it. Look at that. I'm telling you, that is a weapon. You can hold your lipstick and stab somebody with that. That is a weapon. I don't know if they let you on the plane with this. You see it? Sharp. Ooh. Okay. Boop. Oh, and it has an M at the top. And it says Morphe on one side. So pretty. Very classy. Very classy. Oh, beautiful color. I do like this color. This is a nude. Now I'll show you what it looks like. Put it all the way down. Oh, look at that. That is really, really a nice nude. Let me put this one on for you. Oh, it's not that dark. That is a nude. That's a good nude. Of course, I did it pretty messy, but that's a good nude. And let's see. I should try this one too. Let's just try this as a liner. See, look at that. That's a great color. These two together, one is a liner and one as the inner, pretty good. And the wine color is, now you see it goes well with this. See, if I put it there I'm outlining it. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad at all. One more thing I just got in the mail. Oh, before I show you that other thing I got in the mail, I want to show you this. This is the Maybelline Superstay Eraser. This is how you take off the long-lasting lips. Long-lasting lipsticks. One swipe on your lips and you wipe it with a tissue and it comes off. So if you're having trouble getting off your long-lasting lipsticks, this is really, really good. I really approve. Ah, yes. I ordered this for my daughter because she liked it and I used mine, so I asked if she wanted one, and here you go. This is Color Tattoo in Creamy Chocolate. She won't mind that I opened it. Ooh, that's a beauty. Yeah, that is a beauty. Let me show you. Here, my skin is lighter there. That really is a beauty. You just put that on. It's nice and smooth and just go like that. And she has green eyes, I have brown eyes, so the color goes great with either eye. So those are my swatches today. I have one more thing I want to show you. one of my friends here on YouTube, Judy Heilich. I know all you creators know who she is because she does comment a lot on our videos. And she told me when I did a video about my neck, she said that Nora Ephron wrote a book, I Feel Bad About My Neck and Other Thoughts on Being a Woman. Very amusing and marvelous book. And I bought it, Judy. Thank you for the recommendation, Judy. It's the type of book you could just open anywhere and start reading it. It's very, very funny. I mean, I got it for just a few dollars on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. It's a good little summer read. It'll make you laugh. And you could give it to someone who's turning 50 or 60 on their birthday. It's a good book for that. Thanks, Judy. Judy always writes a comment that I want to hang up and frame. She's very loving. Love you, Judy. Thank you. Okay, everyone. I'm going to remove my makeup now and go on my fluffy bed and watch something. So if you could recommend anything, let me know. Have a great week. Pray for this world. I'm praying for you. I love you all.